Hello, we've got a bit of sun between the showers and timely, I'm here at South Hill. This is a lovely little parish between Launceston and Callington. We've got fantastic views on one side towards Carradine Hill, and what we have for sale here is a building plot. It's got planning permission for the erection of a 4-bedroom detached bungalow, nice stone clad. So if you're looking for a site and you're looking to build your own home, or if you're a developer looking to build something commercially, then this site could be for you. So let's show you a little bit more of what it's got to offer. So for more information on this site, please contact Webbers in Launceston on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.